If for whatever reason the video screen drops out during training, we can actually push the reconnect instructor video, and you'll see that in a couple of seconds it will come up with connecting you now. If you experience frequent dropouts or the system doesn't actually connect to your TV, it might mean that the TV isn't supplying enough power to the receiver, and that's when we need to use the USB power adapter to supply power. This probably happens in only a few % of TVs on the market, but it's something to be aware of. I'm going to try and simulate that now. So we'll show you that if we disconnect the power to the receiver, which is the same as it not supplying enough power, and then reconnect. In this case, it's actually come back up. We'll simulate that again, have a disconnect, reconnect. And you might see that this occurs in a loop. So it might try and connect, it will pop up Action Tech, and it will cycle through as you try and connect. Supply an external power supplied to the unit, and I'm sure that will resolve these issues.